Do this to make $10,000. If you need money and want to make $10,000 quickly, that's how I earned my first $10,000. Follow these 5 steps and claim your first $10,000 fast. Step 1. Find wealthy people. Look for people who have money but no time. Step 2. Be the middleman. Reach out to 10 business owners via email. Why? Because 80% of the world's wealth is held by business owners. You can find them everywhere. Google Maps, Instagram, LinkedIn, think dentists, car dealerships, restaurants, beauty salons. Here's what to write in your email. I saw your Instagram account and noticed you're not getting much engagement. I can help you fix that. Business owners don't have time, but they do have money. The average business owner is between 45 and 60 years old. This is where you step in as the middleman. Say this: I offer a service. I'll manage your account for 6 months, and my fee is $20,000. Step 3. Hire freelancers. Go to Upwork and find a freelancer from countries like India, Romania, or Serbia. Tell them, I need you to create edits, come up with content ideas, and manage this account. I'll pay you $10,000 over 6 months. Boom! You keep $10,000 as profit. But what if I don't live in the US or speak English? No problem. I live in Greece and found a solution for this. Use ChatGPT to assist you. Offer to create 5 videos in 1 week that help a US business owner get 100,000 views. Then pitch them. This is my service. If you want these results to continue, my 6-month fee is $20,000. They'll agree and you'll seal the deal. Remember, you're the middleman. Just like a bank transfers money and takes a commission, you'll do the same. Pay someone else to handle the hard parts and pocket the rest. See you in the next video.